Good morning, everybody. I'm your host Chuck on this side. Today is 16th of February. It's currently 6:30 in the morning, and today we are going to India's first ever college organized car meet. Yes, you heard that right. College organized car meet in the college campus. It's going to be amazing. So let's go. Chef, of course, that's the nickname for this guy. And say hi to Chef, everybody. Now they have picked him up, Mr. Chef. They're going to refill the car. They're going straight to Andheri where the main event is. We're picking another guy up and I'll introduce to him. This is Baka Chan. He brings the parts overnights for us. Say hi, Baka.
What's up? Baka here. Let's go.
Konnichiwa.
Moshimosh.
Moshimosh. So we are at the event now. Things are pretty well. Are they well?
I mean, we have been waiting for quite some time now.
Are they well, chef?
Hopefully.
Can you do the cooking today?
Sorry?
Can you do the cooking today?
I'll try my best.
So tell everybody, what does he do for the cooking thing?
He tracks number plates. Be safe out there, guys.
So basically, we are the ones who are the OG spotters, by the way.
Why?
This is the OG gang today, जिसके साथ हम लोग पूरा event cover करने वाले हैं. So stay tuned. There's lots and lots of good content out there. We got the camera, we got the tripod, and we got the boys. The cars are pulling in right now.
I swear, I don't even care if the channel goes good or bad, bro.
It will go good. Why are you saying it will go bad?
I'm saying I'm here for the experience.
You're here for the experience, but you'll be contributing to the channel as well.
That's so true.
So, the waiting for the passes to be delivered to us. Something Audi related has been heard that it's going to come. Of course, I know the entire thing, but I can't say it out here.
Certified number boy, certified.
You can see that the normal line, we got the VIP entry. That's the whole committee out there. So
Mega props to them.
It's going good. We're just waiting for the committee to arrange the passes as of right now.
They're doing a great job at handling this event.
They're really doing a great job at handling the whole stuff right now.
Considering what?
Trust me, people can get hyped up when the cars pull up. It's madness right now. But yeah, so far so good. So Baka was saying something that we already got some inside info that a few cars have pulled up. Chef here is flashing plates as usual, scouting for plates.
I'm like trying.
Well, you're not supposed to, first of all.
Guys, be safe out there, yeah.
We got the entry, and yep. Any speculations what you're gonna see right now? Huracan Performante. Why so? Because you had the plates flashed or what? Nah. We're just kidding. Okay, now this. So, we have entered the event and look what has pulled up way early. It's a flying spur, of course. Not the Mulsan. Chef.
Time to, check some plates.
We're not doing that here. We need to blur the plates, okay? Don't do that. This is... introduce yourself.
I'm Avnish Moria from DJ.
And you are? Vyom from DJ. So the whole SVM guys have pulled up today, and this is a good event for us.
Just a heads up, there might be a McLaren coming.
And the speculation is, this is the first college event in the entirety of India.
Yeah, to have
Fluent college underground meet.
Yes, exactly.
And the setup is wild as beef. You're taking the rollers?
Underground car meet. This is the first time in India underground college car meet will happen.
Basically, there are meets of cars, but not this goated.
Yeah, exactly.
Not this goated.
This setup.
Yeah. So, event update is कि cars अभी तक pull up हुई नहीं है. The crowd is coming, but the cars are not pulling up. So, yeah. So the first car has pull up and it's a Z4, of course. That is my guy Mamba, and his Z4 It's probably going to be the highlight of the entire show. There's another one's pulling up. That's
Sir, can we get some rest, please? And of course,
that mini is so loud we can't even hear ourselves right now. Yeah, the mini is not so mini as of right now.
these cars have been all bangers. Set for crazy entry, subtle after that. Mini does not want to stop.
Mini guy is just on it.
Is that an M5?
Oh, that's a M3.
That's a 3 Series.
330.
It's a 530?
530, yeah.
Okay.
It's a good number plate. Venomous.
So Mr. Modern Mamba has pulled up. He's the star of the show today, I think.
Yeah, definitely in the modern cars. 100%.
In the modern cars, of course. But this is a 330i M Sport that pulled up. He is the humble owner. Just introduce yourself.
I'm from New Bombay, Vashi.
Okay. Okay. So Mr. Ali, right? So Mr. Ali owns this beautiful car. He also has a S1000 RR, which unfortunately we could not pick up today. But bang on spec, I must say. And the BBS, have you imported them? You got from a friend. From a friend. Okay. So he is the guy who is in the peak tuning culture right now, and the underground meet is all because of him right now. So all thanks to him. And can we see the car from the inside? So we are in the famous M330i M Sport. This is his setup as of right now, and it just looks magnificent from the outside. Tell me what the mods you have done till now.
Yeah, it has POV air filter
Okay.
and custom exhaust in it.
So it's a custom exhaust, POV,
and KNN air filter.
KNN filter, and some BBS. What are the BBSs?
LM.
These are BBS LMs. For reference, these are very hard to find. You don't get this here. You have to import this bad boy. So just look at. A huge thanks to Mr. Ali, and I hope we see you next time soon. Thank you so much for pulling up, and it was a pleasure meeting you. Thank you so much. So we are here with the Modern Mamba Z4, and Mr. Sparsh himself, who owns the car. So Sparsh, just tell us about the whole concept of your car.
Basically, we've put on modern candy like one of our India.
Okay.
Modded it around the modern theme. So we've got red all around the car.
Okay. Both our cars are supposed to be purple,
No,
right?
that's purple. This is red. Like
Okay.
not exactly red, but something like that. Similar to that.
So, okay.
That's stage one. That's stock.
Okay, that's stock.
So
And that's the.
that's the 520D.
Sorry?
520D.
So that is the 520D, this is a Z4, and I'm assuming this is not the MZ4, right? It's a stock Z4. So V6, what you're tuned here,
Yeah.
tuned, right?
Yeah.
Amazing. Amazing. I have something really special for you guys. And it is probably one of the most childhood, nostalgia cars ever. What just pulled up?
First gen Audi R8, bro.
And that's a V8.
V8.
For those who don't know, a V8 is rarer than the V10, first of all, and in that red, it's even more rare. Guys, what happened?
Yes.
The silence speaks for itself. Not that we are saying that the event was bad,
It was
but
decent. Not
it was good. It was a very good effort.
I mean, considering it's a college, also you have to take
Yeah,
multiple
and the
permissions.
fact that we are in Ville Parle where everybody is like rich.
And it's-
Basically, the event ended on a short note. To be honest, the cars were good. Actually, they were decent cars. Kind of let down that.
Because we were given high expectations.
Yeah, supercars did not pull up. The photos and the videos were good. It was a good vibe. Could have been much better if a lot of cars pulled up. The waiting time was a bit not bearable, to be honest. But see, it's the first time the event is happening. We learn from our mistakes.
Also, they're college
And
students. We can only
and all of us are like college students, are like fourth, third, second year people. So it's actually great that they pulled this off without creating any chaos.
And they got some decent cars.
They got some decent content out of it, not gonna lie. So yeah, good effort guys, really loved the event, really enjoyed it as well. I know it was a mess, but we all love a good mess, come on. So thank you for inviting us, and we'll see you next time. We'll hope something better comes up,
A few moments later.
Today record it or no?
QS.
Yeah, that's OG.
Look at her.
That's OG.
Look at her, bro. Bro, M5 competition.
We are stopping. We are stopping. We are stopping them. Security the picture for this. But
320D वाला.
Have we seen this before?
Look at the model Fortuner. पिछली बार भी देखा था.
wait, look at that thing.
Behind the Fortuner, bro.
Oh, by the way, just
This is where the Red Bull Mini is.
That one it is.
That is
That
connected
is
to the Ocean one. That is a TRD.
Fortuner.
bro, what? Sorry to interrupt you. ये यहाँ पे ना ऑरेंज गयार्डो वाला है. The
जाने क्या
convertible गयार्डो.
Bro, this is wonderful, bro.
This is so good.
Bro, I feel happy today.
My goodness. Oh, brother. Oh my god, bro.
There's no way.
How did we put?
क्यों भाई?
What is it? Yep, it's a 63.
GLC.
By Burbo.
My Burbo.
Bye, Burbo.
My Burbo as usual.
Bye, Burbo.
ये कॉर्नर में there is a Maybach ना? HDFC वाला. Yes.
Yeah, I think he disappeared. ये वाले पे नहीं है.
अरे पिछली बार यहाँ पे मैंने CGD देखा था.
इधर तो भाई हर रोज का है. I'm taking a ride.
Yes, Shadi.
Oh my god.
Oh my. That's my first DBX in India. That was my first DBX in India. Bro, that's crazy.
वो अभी थोड़ा सन का याद नहीं.
Bro,
I got it on camera.
This is going to be a vlog.
This is mental.
Hey bro, actually, transporting यहाँ पे ही होने वाला है.
This
Because
future,
nobody is out.
future of car spotting is right.
Oh shit.
Lovely. Love. तुझे Z. तुझे Z.
No way, we are pulling here.
Lovely. E36.
Same place.
Where there is a CG
Yes.
flying spot in the street view.
That was lovely.
This is the Ajmera Gardens, right?
Bro, we are pulling now.
Oh yeah, this is his woods.
Oh shit.
Arvind Badala.
Oh shit. Hey, look.
Lovely, lovely. Bro, OG Jimny, bro. That's it goes very hard.
U-turn, bhai.
U-turn ki bhai. We have to explore.
Yeah, bro. This is like final boss level.
What if something tops this?
हाँ सुन और उधर जाने के बाद बस स्पीड स्लो करना उधर भगा मत
Yes.
गुड बॉय
This is all on camera, guys.
It has to be. It has to be. But bro, a wank or
Rapid S. Arey, they didn't know it was Rapid S till now. We'll cut that part. Oh my god, bro. Bro, here I'm thinking a day can't get
Oh, he's
better.
running on. Hey, baga. रुक जा, आराम से.
Oh my lord.
Hey, wait, is that Ranveer Singh the car? Because 69.
Oh! Take it right beside him. Take it right beside him. Take it right beside him.
No. Bro, that is Ranveer Singh ka car.
Holy mother of all that's blessed and crazy. Bro, I'm getting the best view, okay? Bro, look. Rapid, bro, that is mental. Wow. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro, today can't get any better.
I swear to God, this is the best day ever, and that's a record.
450 right beside us. Steady. Bhaga. That's a car from 2009, bro. The thing that it still rips, bro. Mother of all that's holy and sweet. Holy shit! Bro! What the hell? Sweet and spicy!
My goodness.
Legendary. Guys, this is mental. 296 GTB after Rapid S. I'm counting my stars at this point.
I'm counting my BPM at this point.
So,
Bro, I spotted that. I was like, is that the R8 again?
हाँ मैं तो वही लगा था. And I was like, no, 296 GT.
That is metal.
This was not planned at all.
This
This
shit.
recording, this was not planned at all.
Come to Bandra, bro.
They were supposed to come to the main event, by the way.
We were only going to be at Juhu for a run, and then we suddenly it was spontaneous to come to Bandra.
And in the same block, we spotted 4 unicorns.
This is mine.
So on that note, we are ending today's vlog right now. However, today is another thing.
We have something else.
We have something else as well, which was also India's first.
Yes.
Let's give them some suspense.
2024.
Yeah. So we'll see you guys there. Chalo, bye.